and with Lara Nava as part of the, well, first of all, can you hear me? Do you hear my voice?
Yes, yes, very well, Andrea.
Yes.
Okay, thanks. So with Lara Nava as part of the Hermes science team, we decided that was actually it was time for us to organize, let's say, a workshop to push Hermes as a mission and to share with the community the scientific goals and interests that this mission will bring, hopefully, to the community very soon. And first of all, I would like to thank all the people that actually pre-registered to the meeting. We were hoping for a large reaction from the community, but at the moment, I mean, the reaction was much larger than what we expected, and probably this is related to the fact that this mission brings with it very interesting scientific topics that we will hear during the meeting. The main goal of this workshop, well, first of all, would be to share with people that never heard about the Hermes mission the concept behind this project, to share the status, to give some updates on the status, and the other main goal will be, you know, to try to share with the community what are our goals will be for the mission, and try to get feedback from the community and try to get insights, and try to broaden the collaboration in order to make better and more efficient, let's say, our project. And as I say, the reaction has been very nice from the community. We got almost 200 registrations, and I hope at the end of this meeting, people will still be interested in the mission, and let's say a good fraction of them be willing to join, let's say, our community to well, find new goals for the mission as well. Having said that, we have a relatively tight schedule, so I will just give you some brief details of how we thought about the organization of this meeting. And here you can see a few very little rules, let's say. Well, first of all, let me emphasize again that a lot of you register for the meeting. We got 200 registration. At the moment, we have at least 122 people logged in. So I mean, I'm very happy about that. For people that will not be able to join today, but they're still looking forward to get the content of this workshop, we will register the presentation and we will make available them in the official web page. And therefore, in the next days, all or some of the presentation will be available. Given the large number of participants, that, well, basic rule will be to keep all the mic mutes and the camera off, just to save the band and to make it easier for the speakers, let's say, to give the presentation. And also in terms of questions, a lot of questions are more than welcome, but we need, of course, to keep in mind that the time is limited. So we'll try to get few questions per talk, and then we will have 30 minutes scheduled at the end of the meeting where discussion will be more than welcome. So if some of the questions that you would like to ask during the meeting, the presentation won't be, well, easy to make, then probably you can keep it for the discussion session. And I guess that's it. I don't see any other things that needs to be discussed. And well, therefore, I'll show you what is going to be the program for the first day. As you know, the meeting will be divided in 2 half days, this afternoon and tomorrow morning. And today we will have some sort of introduction and status updates on the Hermes mission, and then we will touch one of the scientific topics, main scientific topics that will be covered by the Hermes mission, which is the gamma ray burst in some different aspects. So I think I will probably stop here. So we'll have time. We'll be in time with the schedule, and I leave the virtual floor to Simonetta Puccetti from the Italian Space Agency, that will give us an overview of, let's say, programmatic overview of the Hermes pathfinder that is actually found from the Italian Space Agency. So I think I'll stop here, and I'll thank you again for being here today. And well, we'll see each other at the end of the meeting in the discussion section.